Hey there, how's it going? It's Albie. Okay, so I want to share with you today how to use copy and paste ads, all right, or COPA, right? And this is an amazing program. There's so many different ways. I think it has 200 different ways in here to be able to post your ad and be able to get people to see it. And you know, the nice thing is that once you post the ads and people see it, you get people that are like, oh my gosh, look at this. This is simple, easy to do, and then they just join and they send you $100 each time, right? And so it's just really awesome, right? The power of it is so amazing because there's three main points to that why I love this program. One, it pays you $100 the same day, okay? And that's pretty cool, right? Because it pays through PayPal, it pays through Zelle, Cash App, Stripe, all these different ways. And then the next thing I really like about it is that it goes after the $100 straight out the beginning, right at the beginning. That's important if you really want to be able to earn, you know, $100 right off the bat. I mean, there's a lot of programs that will give you $10 or $20 or whatever, but to get the $100 straight out the gate, I think that's fantastic. I love it. It's just definitely has become my new intro program. I just joined it probably last Thursday. I've already made 3 sales, so that's $300 that I've earned in PayPal and Cash App and so forth. And so now I can't guarantee you're going to have the same results as me because I've been marketing for a long time and I know how to do it. But I mean, all you have to do is just get in there and start, you know, paying attention to what it says, you know, watch the videos and just start copying, pasting your ads all over the place, right? And I tell you what, if you do the work, then you're going to start seeing results. Here's what I always tell people. I always tell people you need to create a ratio, right? So out of every 10 people you show it to, maybe you get one, right? Out of every, how many 10 people that you actually communicate personally with, or through an ad, or through Facebook text, or a text on your phone, or actually connecting with people on the phone, or it doesn't matter how you communicate, right? You can always build a ratio, all right? And so sending out ads is going to be a higher ratio. I mean, you're looking at maybe like, you know, 1 out of 100 or what like that, because you have to send out lots and lots of ads. I literally have about 10,000 clicks to my site every single week, all right, that I'm getting out there, okay? And if you don't know how to advertise, just join my team and I'll show you. In fact, you just have to go in there and look, and it'll show you like one place after the next where you can start advertising. And what I really love about it is there's places where you can do $5 ads, $10 ads, and get people really responding to you. Okay, so this is really fantastic program, and I love it because it pays out 100 immediately. It pays out $100, right? I really like that, not just $5 or $10 or $20 or a fraction of that, you know. And then also, this program is easy to do. All right, you just have to get to work and just start posting. All right, so I really hope this helps you. I hope this video, just connect back with me. I love, you know, in 2018, I met a millionaire that changed my life, and he taught me 5, 6 what I call critical skills that changed everything for me, right? And all you have to do is join my team, and I'll teach you everything you need to know. All right, so I actually get on Zoom Monday through Friday to help my whole team. So if you're struggling, you need help, I'm here for you. All right, my name is Albie. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to just look for the link in the down here, and go ahead and click on or put that in your browser, and join me, and I'll help you out. Okay, have a wonderful day. And by the way, I'm an internet marketer, so I can't guarantee any earnings, and I do earn a portion of what if you join something, I earn a portion of that. So I just want to let you know up front, and I'm willing to show you how to do the same. Okay, all right, well, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more travel and tips earning online videos just like these. And like always, want to thank you for helping us to succeed. Want to turn around and help you to learn how to succeed as well. And if you'd like to find out what the skills are to help you to learn how to earn consistently online, then I'm going to put up my email right here and the link that you can join our team and get in contact with me, and I can share some of these skills with you, a little bit about our program, and help you to find out more about how we earn consistently on the internet. And we're looking forward to meeting you. This is Albie. You have a wonderful day and talk with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.